Hello, hello.
We are going to
Sir, hello, சொல்லுங்க sir.
Hey, no problem, man. Let him drive.
Raja is here.
Covering my side.
Saiju sir is here. Arjun is here. We are going to look a room for Saiju sir. Okay. No massage. Only room. Okay. So we'll find a room and Saiju sir will give us chai party. Sir, done.
Take photo, man. No, actually, I was looking at the side where that time was moving.
Oh my God, Arjun, you look very smart, huh? In this.
Yes. What very smart? You look means. What do you mean by you look? He's smart.
No, you look smarter than. How to say? You look more smarter in
You
camera.
are making video, no? If you don't make video, I will tell you something.
How long, sir?
What on that, sir? Stop the video, then I will tell you.
You tell something.
No, cannot tell you the video.
Okay.
Dangerous.
We are reached almost, right?
Yeah, you almost there. Yes.
So okay, we are about to reach. We'll meet you there in his room. Okay. Bye bye.
I'm too much mad now.
Stay to the right to
I
our
need to go for briefings,
Then
man.
stay to the left to
Very fun.
Street 26.
Very much. Thank you.
Raja hate meeting.
I hate meetings in my life. I had enough meetings in my life in the previous time. It's same meeting like.
Raja was attending meeting. One person is not is there in the hotel.
Stay to the
The
left
person
to
is
Street
resigned after
26.
3 years also. His GM is taking his
Speed
name
bumps
and shouting at the
In
people.
300 meters.
Right, Raja?
Use the
You
left
hearing
lane
my
to
name
stay
very
to the
often,
left.
right?
Yeah,
Street
yeah.
26.
See, look at Saiju.
He's the only housekeeper I had who was good. Rest all you F.
FF means fuck. Fuck.
Fucking people, no brain, nothing.
Nothing. Just wasting my money. You bloody fool. He's the one who's.
Who's our previous owner?
Namalda, Tamil.
Full cut out the bad words only.
Same like Raja. Scottish.
மூர்த்தி எடுத்துட்டு நீ என்ன மயிறு பிடிங்கிட்டு இருக்கீங்க உனக்கு மயிறு வேலை தெரியுமா
தமிழ்ல சில வேர்ட்ல
Stay to the left to Street 26.
ஒரு வாய்
தமிழ்னாலே ஒரு இது
கரெக்டா அந்த சைடு மிரர்ல போய் கை வச்சிருக்கீங்க.
பிரதீப் எப்போ வந்துட்டு அவருக்கு ரொம்ப க்ளோஸா இருக்க மாதிரி ஆக்ட் பண்ணுவார். அவர் நமக்கு தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவார்.
The location where we are going or hotel?
No, where we are going.
Hotel किधर है?
It was 1 kilometer around.
3 minutes.
Accommodation.
What
we are looking
200 meters. At the roundabout, take the first exit on Street 29.
We are about to reach. Just 1 kilometer left.
पूरा डलुक का प्रॉपर्टी मराठी है ना वो
भाई
क्या नाम है उसका? साजन?
साजन
Why don't you get this politician guy number?
me
Hmm.
who will believe politicians
Oh, in some case they will be helpful, no? If you need something.
if they want something they will
At the
help you with
roundabout, take the first
exchange.
exit on
will
Street
help us
29.
only until
Gain from
their
something,
profitability
they
is
will know,
coming
yes.
from there.
Always their counting their profitability
Return of investment.
Yes.
not return they will
In 200 meters.
Police and
At the
politician
roundabout,
both.
take the third exit on Street
thought
13.
process is different even your brother also their thought process is different politician thought process is totally different
Sir, we are somewhere nearby.
Yeah. As per the map, we are nearby. Hey, मेरा तो बड़ा उसका बता रहा है.
Yeah, you can.
This one? I think we came in the wrong way. The parking lot. What's the parking? Where is the parking? That's what I'm thinking. So we can park anywhere or there is a better?
No. If you park like this, you can park anywhere.
But they'll put fine. Somewhere.
Kacha, Raja.
Where is Kacha?
There.
That is not Kacha.
Raja missed the way.
Raja Mr. அந்த ஏரியால பார்க்கிங்
in that building in Raja
Okay, take U-turn, Raja, in this town.
Yes, sir.
Wow, Arjun, you look sexy, huh?
really
Yeah. I suppose they do. That man, like that man, top. Oh my God! Wow. Sir, why we are here? To see. Raja will come. Raja, tal, slow always. If there is girl, you will be fast. You will be active only for girls, huh? What is this?
It's a human nature. It's like a North Pole and a South Pole. We tend to attract opposite poles.
Okay, let's go. But you will get nice view from the room.
इंशाल्लाह देखिएगा क्या व्यू है हाँ इधर होटल देख सकते हैं
Your hotel, sir? Nice. Welcoming with red carpet. Use feature room.
जैसे भाई ने आपको भेजा सेम चीजें
Compact, but it's very good, huh? Wardrobe, washroom with bathtub. Nice. Enough wardrobe is there, Raja.
not concerned about the washroom. Master bedroom, देख सकते हैं क्या चीज़ सब रूम और बेडरूम.
Nice. Balcony also there in this.
मैं आपको कंफर्म करेगा.
Open balcony है? Yeah. Sir, beautiful view, sir, from here.
वो है होटल सामने वो ग्रीन लाइट दिख रहा है वही है ना वही है
Smoking?
कैन डू इन द बालकनी
Of course, balcony you can smoke. But he will not. Next, we are going to see master room.
I will stay there. I will put in rent.
What we have seen is a studio now. It's compact, but it's okay for one people. Even for couple, it's fine, I guess. It's easy to maintain also. Sir, of course you will get time. वो तो होते हैं ना.
Bradley Cooper, yes.
Hangover. Who is the hero? I'm the hero.
You are not the hero.
Ah,
You are the funny guy.
okay. It's better to be a funny guy rather than hero.
Or something like that.
Singer also fine. Entering into the master room. Yes, this is the master room. It's same except the kitchen and balcony. Even view is good here, but no balcony, no kitchen. Master bedroom. Sir, how much is for the master bedroom? Okay. This is the pool. Sir, nice pool, sir. Aywa, this is very important place for him. Sir, treadmill is there for your running. Even weight machines also there. Are you happy with the gym? The room. How about this area?
Very good design, nice area, quiet.
This area also very nice, huh? Really looks like we are in Dubai.
It's a pretty decent area.
Like you.
Very quiet.
People for you.
Exactly. That's what I prefer. If you're looking for peace,
This name.
yeah.
Vlog name is Searching Room for Saiju.
Nice name.
So even for this kind of things also, there's the people to watch.
Exit the roundabout.
No, I haven't.
Searching
I-
a room in Dubai Science
I-
Park.
I haven't done vlogging yet, but this one I will do.
In 200 meters at the roundabout, take the third exit.
Then you make me famous.
Yes, sir.
Make you extremely famous.
Then. We'll
Then
do-
from the additional YouTube revenue, we'll buy for you this one bedroom.
Then we'll put a video. We started this YouTube channel searching room now.
bottom, now we are here.
Okay, बंद कर दो अभी when we are going near.
No problem, we'll go. We'll go.
This is the way which we need to
Yeah, that's the way. Go.
I was thinking whether it's over there. The lady with the kutta, same like our GM's wife. They love kutta. There is no parking here.
I think there is no parking.
Yeah, here this one no problem. It's
Residence.
okay. Thank God, we had a very good parking in front of them. Yes, but this is also paid also.
Yes.
Paid also. But what to do?
Yes.
I just
No problem.
one time. It's only 6 dirham, right? I think here it's not even 6 dirham.
So we are here in another building called Green Diamond. Second option.
I will remove the cigarette like this. Then
If you smoke, I need to put cigarette is injurious to
I will
health.
not smoke. I'll just put it in the face.
Oh, even though you put it, I will put cigarette is injurious to health. Oh my God, guys, please don't follow this. Okay, he's just doing it for his own fashion. If you are smoking, it's at your own risk.
Kids don't smoke.
I don't know. Saiju is checking whether we can see the room or not. Let's see. What are you doing, Raja?
Just typing the parking.
Parking? Yeah, I don't have it in my personal mobile. Come, let's go. Get the parking number and come, Raja. So, let's go inside.
They have tablet also. Matthew. That's fruits. Chinese, huh? Oh, na road. Order now. Happy. Maybe the company, this restaurant put the TV. There we go.
So, let's go and see the next room. Wow, nice setup.
In the previous photo, taking large and saying
This corridor looks better than that.
this to be more hours. Homely feel.
Yeah, it's like a home apartment.
That was like a.
That was a proper hotel.
Yeah, that was like a. We don't like it. Yeah.
Somebody staying there? Room separate, I guess. It's a room with balcony. Have a swimming pool view also.
What's your feedback on this property? I believe it's.
No, if it has a attached bathroom, it's good.
But
See, the thing is, the place where he's coming from, that's one bedroom, for probably one bedroom, and here it's a very small room, and you know, after a hectic work schedule, you should have
This Raja has to comment on this. What do you think, Raja?
space and
I
all.
don't think it's right thing for him.
Like
At least he should have some space to rest and relax.
See, even though we need to rent the chairs also from the 173, that chair also.
There is a way agency fees.
That is not homely feeling, that is very washy feeling. Here you know, you can see even the smell is fish curry smell is there.
Yeah, maybe you'll.
What
What do you think, sir? Which one you like more?
agency fees सब करके आप minimum 1 year we are staying there in 1 year is no problem. Because we don't do this maybe 3 months we get some other option for license सब कुछ मिलेगा तो 3 months का.
Yeah, of course, this is better in that case. Unless you fix something. क्या देख रहे हैं यार?
Some banana?
The notice here. Please keep the door locked all the
These
time.
are the bananas.
So this is master room, right, sir?
Yes sir. ये मेरे को लग रहा है इसे साफ साफ करने वाली है वो कर देगा.
I guess. It's the master bedroom. Master bedroom.
Saturday Sunday आएगा.
Yeah, even it's okay.
Some bottles from housekeeping.
Okay, we have seen some rooms. So let's see which one size you will say. This guy started smoking. Again, I will say smoking is injurious to health.
Kids don't smoke.
Not kids. Nobody should smoke.
Guys smoke. Sometimes you need to.
Oh, don't follow this guy, huh? Smoking is injurious to health. Don't smoke. What do you say, Raja? It's right?
It's
Heaven on earth.
Totally agree with you. Don't ever smoke in your life.
Okay, Raja, do you have any experience?
No,
Don't
I
smoke
have any
hashish and all these things, huh?
But I have seen a lot of my close friends who are struggling with smoking addiction. They cannot leave. They cannot leave it, yeah.
Fine.
It's once you get into it, it's very hard to get out of it.
This is for those who cannot leave. I don't want to leave.
Okay, fine. Our topic changed. So let's ask Saiju what his opinion on the rooms. Okay. Okay, what's your opinion on the rooms? All the rooms.
Tomorrow. This is they can give me until.
No, what do you prefer over that building and this building?
This one is convenient. Then now we need to.
वो वाला था ना सर वो.
How it? That one, right?
नहीं ये first room, second room, third room, the last one. Because we can see the car like this.
So okay, then let's wait until tomorrow and we'll decide. Okay.
That's everything for today.
Okay.
We'll get back
So
again
we'll head back to home. Okay. We'll see you back in the travel. Bye bye.
पहले वो नहीं था. You don't know this 190 Shailesh? 180 190 190.
हाँ वो मैं आने के पहले था.
190.
He's already here in Abu Dhabi or not?
Donald Trump.
No,
he's bringing Elon Musk and everyone.
They together.
He's also coming.
All the big business people are coming.
Yeah, they together in Saudi.
Also they were together.
Yeah.
Yeah. Saudi they are together.
हमारी भाई meet him ना.
I'll tell you how to hold. Closure கொடுங்க. பேசுங்க.
நீங்க தான் பேசணும்.
Enough. Yes.
What
Guys,
enough?
we are back
Ah.
from the expedition.
Ah.
We found some couple of rooms. We will see which one is suitable for. There are many factors selecting. We'll let you know. Thank you.
Thank you.
Finally we are having tea and we'll dispatch to our accommodations. See you. Bye bye.
tomorrow.
Thank you guys.